Hey everyone, I'm back from an unforgettable road trip across the French, Swiss and Italian Alps from Belgium all the way to Milan, with stops at Pagani factory and the Ferrari museum in Maranello. Now picture this, 3 friends, 3 blazing red supercars, 80 and 90 behind the wheels of their Honda NSXs, and me piloting a Ferrari Testarossa as we conquered every twist and turn of the Stelvio Pass, framed by snow-capped peaks. Now, the rush of driving these machines through mountain hairpins really has to be seen to be believed. So, let's dive into the video. After a full day of tackling hairpins in a Testarossa, forget the gym. It is a total workout. The steering, the shifting, the sheer force of that flat 12 engine, it's a visceral full body experience. It's a workout. Some of my friends are asking me how's Ferrari Testarossa going up the Stelvio in the mountains. You know, I told them it's like a woman. If you respect it, it will treat you well, and you'll enjoy it. Wondering about the spine-tingling howl? Well, that's Andy's NSX fitted with a Yamamoto Racing exhaust. Trust me, it sounds absolutely epic. And there's Eddie from New Jersey taking my NSX for a spin. His car is equipped with a Science of Speed exhaust, while my Testarossa rocks a Tubi upgrade. Nobody up there, that's good. Number 25. We timed this trip right after the Stelvio Pass reopened for the season, once the mountain snow had finally started to melt. We did have to make multiple detours over the snowy peaks. Riding shotgun here is Mr. Ernad Lokvancic, award-winning photographer and videographer whose lens captured every moment of our adventure. This really was one of the best trips I've taken. Three friends bonded by a passion for cars, driving safely yet fearlessly, and always looking out for one another.